learn? Anybody can explain me just for the recording purpose? Anybody can explain me what yesterday we are learned?
Yesterday we learned about colors,
Colors.
labels,
Okay.
size,
Okay.
font size, alignment,
Okay.
that is vertical and horizontal.
So
Ma-
perfectly you said onward. So yesterday we are learned on Mark's shelf is nothing but colors, size, label, details, tooltip. Right?
yes, yes.
Anybody can try this. What we are learning? Anybody try to recall this? What yesterday we are learning, and what yesterday we are done from that? Anybody can try this? Okay, no worry. So I'm going to the I'm going to the next. So today what I'm going to say that it is a view data. So how to we can see the data and how to export as a CSV file. So let's go to learn that. Um, this is a very important thing that guys, some kind of background noise is there. Okay, I'm audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we are learned that now I'm going to start with view data and export as CSV file. Suppose any column, suppose bar chart, column chart, again stack column chart. Suppose this data I want to share in a CSV file. How to share that, and what are the methods to share that? I am going to explain that. So first of all, um, in a view, in a pie, in a suppose okay, just 1 second. Suppose this pie chart has been created, right? Now I want to, in a east category, in a west category, I want this data. Specifically, I want this data only, which is amount as 2,51,992. Suppose your client is asking, hey, hi Dinesh. Hey, hi, tell me. So I want in a West category, in a West category, 2,51,000 amount which is there, right? I want to data itself. This data I want. So I can share this data with the client. It's very easy. Go with the data. Now get full data and I can download in a CSV file. So if you see that characters delimited files means CSV file. So what we can name it as pie chart data, base category. So I save it. So particularly we can choose that which data we want. Suppose I want in a East category 2,05,560 amount is there, right? 2,05,516 amount. Just click on that. And I want to share this data with the client. Then what you do? It is option is there, right? If you see that view data, guys, please respond if you are seeing my screen.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes, we
sir.
can see.
So
Yes.
yeah. So when I'm clicking this screen, right? This is the option I'm getting this. Okay, view data, last option, right corner, last option. So I click on the view data. Then, but I don't want summary. I want full data. Just click on full data. Again, this data I want to share with my clients. So I download with CSV file. So go and download this file. Okay, name as pie chart. Okay, so just save it. The so now you have saved this file. Let's go to the download. Now if you see that pie chart is there option is there, right? Pie chart. Open this data. Now, if you see that the pie chart data has been opened, guys, if you are seeing, then please respond me.
We are
Yeah,
following,
we see
sir.
it.
Yeah. So now if you see that this worksheet, now I have shared that in a CSV file. This is nothing but category which is category. So whichever the data which is that I have shared with my client. So I can easily share with my clients with the help of CSV file. Now you understand that how to view a data and where to share the data.
Understood.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes.
sir.
Anybody can try this. It's so easy. Hmm? Anybody can try this. Okay. Now I want corporate data. Corporate data. I want to share the data with my client for corporate. Onward, share your screen. What happened? Onward. I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Let me
So
try.
what I want, what is my requirement? I want to share the data of corporate with the client because the corporate client, he want the data, he get to know that how many sales he want done. So you want detailed data in a CSV format. So please share the data with CSV format with the clients. How do you share? Onward. Yeah, onward.
Let me try to share my screen, sir.
Okay, just share your screen. Okay, what I want? Tell me.
I want to
Corporate.
I want consumer. So I will go
Okay,
to
okay, you want to go with consumer, you can go with consumer as well. Click on that, right click,
then I will go to this. Then I go to full
full data,
data. Then I will
download.
download.
Then
Then
name
I
is pie chart full data, correct? You can rename as well pie chart.
data. Then
Save as,
I
save
save.
and go to the file folder and open the pie chart, full data. No, where you downloaded, right? Folder, not here. Is already downloaded. Click on save.
Yes. Save.
You already downloaded, right? Don't download again. Just cancel this. Go with the folder and check that. Open that. Don't download again. Already downloaded, right? Don't download again. Open your file folder.
File folder.
Here is not. Minimize that. Open folder page.
That is
Minimize that. Go to desktop page.
okay. This
Don't
one.
open here. Where you downloaded this folder? Tell me. Where you downloaded this page? Tell me.
You will store in
Minimize that screen and check the folder itself. Minimize that screen. Onward, you understanding, right? What I'm saying?
I'm trying to
Minimize that screen. Click on that. Go to the folder.
folder.
Don't go to the files onward. Okay, I will tell. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will tell you.
I'm failing to locate the file, sir.
Okay, just 1 second. Now go for the download. Now this file which is I downloaded, right? I have said in a downloads in a file folder downloads. If you see the pie chart, file, pie chart file.
Yes.
So just check the folder where you downloaded. Okay.
Okay, sir. It's not there, sir, on my downloads.
Okay. Where you downloaded? Check with that, right? And lovely, you can try this.
It's okay. Okay, I want you to help him.
Can I try, Dinesh?
Yeah, you can try. Who is this?
Srinivas here.
Oh, you can try this definitely. I want participants where try to be in encouragement, try to be more, try to be interactive. I want that participants. I don't want that participants who just be in silent mode. Share your screen and try to do this. And meanwhile, everybody try to work on which I'm saying, how to save the file and how to export the data in a CSV file.
Can you see my screen, Dinesh?
Okay. Yeah, I'm sharing. Yeah, I can see your screen.
Yeah, I created pie chart.
Okay.
Selecting one category is like subcategory accessories.
Okay. Right click, click on the view data.
Yeah,
So, Srinivas, why I'm telling this particularly, we are going with particular, why we are particular this, because client always asks that particular, dimension itself, right?
yeah,
Suppose the client is asked particular dimension and you want data itself, then you need to know that how to share the particular dimension, right?
yeah, correct. So
So
summary and
go for
full
the
data.
full data.
Just a second, it's taking time.
That's fine. Okay, save the file. Now you understand that how to
Yes,
view a
yes,
data and export to CSV in a particular dimension or measure, right? Okay. So I'm going to the next step. Okay, understand that. Don't worry.
yeah,
Uh,
okay,
Meanwhile, I can go with the next step.
okay.
So the next step is keep only and exclude. If we say that, keep only and exclude. See, keep only and exclude. So what is this option and how do we are going to use the keep only and exclude option? So lot of times what happened that when we are doing visualization, right? We need particular dimension. We need suppose in the bar chart, what you are seeing, tell me, technology, furniture, office supplies, right? What we are seeing,
Yes,
tell me,
sir.
Yes,
technology,
sir.
technology,
Technology, furniture, office
okay,
supplies.
supplies, right? But I don't want office supplies, but I can see but I want to see technology furniture. Then what to do? Tell me. So click on the office supplies and here is the option that exclude. See, so I can exclude office supplies. Now we can get an option technology furniture, which I want only both technology and furniture. Again, one more scenario I will tell you. Dinesh, I want only office supplies. I don't want technology. I don't want furniture. Just highlight office supplies. In this case, what you do? In this case, I use only office supplies as keep only. Just click on office supplies and right click. What getting an options tell me? Hello.
Keep
Keep
only and
keep only.
exclude.
Keep only.
Okay,
Yes.
that's great. So it is option getting keep only, right? Just use keep only. Then what do you know that it shows only office supplies data, right?
Yes.
Because now I want only office supplies. I don't want furniture. I don't want other categories. I want only office supplies. It will be shown only office supplies. Now I understand that keep only and exclude.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
anybody can try this. What I done that now? Anybody can try this. Lovely, you can try this.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is my condition, Lovely? I don't. Okay, okay, go with the main chart now. Which chart is open? Bar chart, right? Stack column chart. Open stack column chart. Open stack column chart. Now, what is my condition is that I don't want furniture. I want technology and office supplies. What are you doing? Okay. I don't want furniture. I want only technology and office supplies. What do you do now? Tell me. In a full graph only. I don't want in a each dimension. I want only office supplies and technology in a full graph itself. I don't want to include any furniture at any side.
So I have to do on each.
Each, okay, you understand, right? You have to do each and every dimension which is you don't want. Now it's done
Okay.
perfectly. Now it's looking perfectly. Everybody understand that how is done what we are doing?
Understood.
Ganesh, Divya,
Yeah, yes, understood.
okay, thank you so much. Priya, Srinivas, I understand. Sibani,
Yes.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we are going with the next step. Now save and share Tableau files. What is a save? How to save the files and how to share the files is very important. A lot of times what we are doing the mistakes that we need to understand that what kind of files we can share it. And suppose your manager saying, "Yeah, Dinesh, I want Tableau file, which is need be data and just share the data file itself." So you should be asked that which data file you want. Either you want workbook file, either you want which data file. So I'm sharing my screen. I will tell you that how to work on the sharing things. Suppose this pie chart, I want to share it with the clients. So how to share it? It is of option is there, right? File option. What options you can see? Tell me.
File data worksheet. And in file, so we can see new, open, close, save as.
Okay. So most
Yes.
important thing you need to be remind yourself, save as these two options will be not in a table public. Okay.
Okay.
What I'm saying, anybody can understand what I'm saying. So go to the file
Yes.
option, go to the save option. When I'm clicking on the save option, right, you will get both things. Control is why I'm not getting because this file is already saved. Okay, let's remove this file. I will open again. Okay, because this file is already saved, right? That's why it's not open. That's why it's not saving. Now I will connect my data. Click on orders. So I'm going to the sheet one. So for now, I will create the simple chart region by sales. I will create a pie chart. Go to the highest to the lowest. Include region labels. Include sales label. Again, include the edit colors. Colors with fine okay. Go with the border itself. Choose borders. Okay. Now this file I want to save it. What options here? New, open, close, save. Click on save. So now click on save, right? What options is getting? Tableau workbook. Again, Tableau workbook, Tableau package workbook, right? What is the make difference? Anybody can try this? Tableau workbook and Tableau package workbook. What is the difference in that? Okay, I will tell you. So Tableau workbook is nothing but it's only include the worksheets. Suppose in this scenario, I have a created pie chart, right? Only pie chart will be saved, not data set. Okay, not sample superstore. So if you know what happened that in this scenario, if I choose Tableau workbook, right? Whatever I'm creating the dashboards, workbooks, stories, whatever I created, it will be saved, but not data is included. Okay, package data. Data is itself sample superstore, what we are using now. So data is not included. So whatever the worksheets, whatever the dashboards, whatever the stories you are created, right? It can be saved as a Tableau workbook file. Just save it. Just save it option. Okay. Okay, now what he's saying that TWB is already existed. Okay, okay. Let's change the name itself. Okay, I said a pie chart new. Click on save files. Now the file has been saved. Again, one more trick is there. Go for the file. Go for the save file because it is already saved, right? Go for save as now. Now what is he asking, right? Now I want to go with the Tableau workbook, Tableau package workbook file. Dinesh, why you are downloading Tableau package workbook, right? It is not necessary, right? You can ask me, right? It is necessary. Why it is necessary? Because when you are going with the when you're going with the data with along workbooks. Suppose your client is asking that Dinesh, I want data along with what you created workbooks, right? I want the same. So I can share with the data as well. Data is means sample superstore. So you can say this data with what you are created workbooks, dashboards, stories, whatever you want to create it, you can save it. Just click on the save option. Now option has been saved. Now you have a notice that what is the small difference in that. Just go to the file, go to the your file only. Now where you say right, we have saved in documents. And in a pie chart, if you see that this icon, if you see,
Yes.
I'm going to the big
Last.
because you can see that now you can see perfectly, right? Guys, respond
Yes,
something,
yes,
guys.
yes, yes,
Guys,
yes.
if you
One
don't
second.
respond, if you don't respond, I'll not going to teach anything. Okay. So this is the icon which you seeing, right? This is the Tableau workbook file option, which is this option you are can see. Now I can go Tableau repository. Again, I can zoom this. Now what do you see? This icon, pie chart new, right? This is something which with including data. This, line, middle line. If you see that, this middle line.
Yep, yep, that's it.
So
Yes.
you
Yes.
can, yeah, yeah,
So
Yes, we
I'll
are
be able
following
to
you.
share this. I'll be able to share this file with
yeah, we
another.
can definitely, we can share it
So it will,
easily. Yeah,
so it will
yeah,
include the worksheets plus the data.
yeah, worksheet with
Okay.
data.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, suppose you want worksheet means in this scenario, what is included? I included pie chart. Again, this order sample super stories, right? Full data, I've included both with the help of Tableau package workbook file in a pie chart now. Suppose, Dinesh, I want, proof. Just remove this file. Now, what is the file name? Tell me. What is the file name?
Pie
Hello.
chart new. Pie chart new.
You.
Okay, guys, respond
We have pie
me.
chart new.
Kya baat hai? So guys, please respond me. If you not respond, right, I'm not able to do anything because that give me encouragement to me do lot of work. If you respond properly again, so now I created now which is I click that pie chart no. If you see that pie chart no, Tableau pie chart no this file.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah,
Yes.
Now data is there everything again. Previously file I cancelled that. Now again I open. If you want to cancel again, I want cancel it. Now if you see there is a no Tableau file, right? If you go with
yeah,
the open pie chart now, click on that. It will open just few minutes. Now it's open, right? Now
yeah.
data is there, data source is there. Again, sheet is there. Again, dimension measures are there. Again, pie chart is there. Perfect.
Yeah.
So now we understand that how to share the data and anybody can respond that what is the basic difference in the Tableau workbook and Tableau workbook package workbook means .twb .twbbx.
Yes, sir.
Anybody can?
The Tableau workbook only has sheets, but the Tableau package workbook is the sheets and the workbook and the data sources also.
Okay. So um suppose .twb Tableau workbook file, it is not included data, right? And .twbx, it means Tableau package workbook file. It included data which is we are operating like sample superstore which are we operating. It's including data with whatever dashboards, charts, again stories what we can create it in the charts. So it is TWBX. Suppose anybody can answer that my question, which I'm going to that. Suppose I have a 4.5 to 8 4.5 to 8.5 GB data is there, and client is asking for the sharing the dashboards. Then what do you prefer? Tell me, TWB or TWBX?
TWB.
Right, perfect, Lucien. You are perfect. That's I want expect the answer with you. Why tell me?
The size of the file would make it difficult to share in
That's
a package
perfectly.
TWB.
That's
So if it,
perfectly right. Perfectly
it
right.
would be
It's
better to
I
just connect to
appreciate.
the. It would be
I
better for the
appreciate.
client to connect directly to the data source itself.
Right, as it's perfectly right. So you are perfect, Rasin. You're understanding something at least. Okay, go with the next part. Now you understand that what we are learning now as of now. Tell me. So we learn view data and export as CSV. And next we are learn keep only and exclude. Again, now how to save and share the Tableau files. Now we are going to learn that, this is we already done that save files on desktop. Now I'm going to go as export as PPT, PDF and PNG. So any file, suppose now this pie chart, I want PPT, I want PowerPoint, again, I want PNG. How to share it? Go to the file option. So anybody can read this option one by one. Anybody try this?
New open
Ex,
close
ex,
save service. Export
ex,
as version.
export as PowerPoint.
Package workbook. Export as PowerPoint. Okay.
Okay, again, come down.
Show start page, share, paste, import workbook. Page setup, print to PDF.
Okay, now stop.
Local.
Okay, done.
Okay.
Now I want this PDF, right? Click on the print PDF. Again, entire workbook. Yes, I want entire workbook in a portrait. Click on this. And what name we want? Pie chart PDF. Pie chart PDF. Again, where we focus in downloading, right? Click on save. Okay, go to the file. Now, if you see that data visualization PDF, again pie chart PDF. You see that which I'm created now PDF. Guys, you
Yes,
see?
sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
that's it.
Save.
So
Yeah,
this is nothing. I can enlarge it for your preference. I can enlarge it. Okay. So I have created this PDF right now. Okay. Now go to the second option which I want to create itself. Okay. So what is the next option? Dinesh done the PPT. Go with the PPT and PNG, right? Now we are done with the PDF format. Go with the file. Again, after the file, there was option of export as a PowerPoint. Click on that. Again, this view, we can choose specific sheets or else you can choose all the worksheets. The view means it's choosing the all. No, Dinesh, I want to choose specific sheets from the workbook. You can go with that. Again, this is we can choose to select one worksheet. Again, go with the export. Again, what you mentioned, pie chart, PowerPoint. Okay, click on that, download it, save it. Again, go with the downloads option. Again, pie chart, open the pie chart PowerPoint. Now it's visible, right?
Yes,
it
it
Yes,
is.
is.
sir.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. Now go to the next option. The next option is nothing but PNG. PNG means in an image format. Suppose I call to the, Lovely. Hey, hi, Lovely. This chart you created, right? I want to share with my friends. Then you don't have access of the Tableau, right? You don't have licenses. Then what to do? Tell me. I suppose this pie chart I want to showcase in a social media itself. Then what you do? Then we will go with image format. Then what is the options you are getting? Tell me in a worksheets.
Uh,
New worksheet, copy, export, clear, actions, tooltip, show title,
Uh,
show caption,
okay. So
show
which option I
summary.
want to choose? Tell me.
export and then
Oh,
select
great.
image.
The export,
Okay, that's great. That's great. So which image
image.
we want, I can choose it. So I want this image option, go and save it and go not sheet one, choose pie chart image or else, pie chart. Okay, go with image as well. Pie chart pick. Save it. Go with the downloads. Again, refresh it. Pie chart pick. Open the pie chart pick. Now it's done perfectly. Now I can easily share in social media, right?
Mhm.
Now I
Yes.
can share with social media. Now I can share with my friends and anywhere. So now understand right how to save the file, how to export in a PPT and PDF and PNG. Now go with the export data to CSV. This is option is already done, but I'm taking with again. But initially we are going with a particular right. Now suppose this uh, this particularly now I already mentioned that right. How the data we can go with the full data, we can download it in a CSV format, right? Now, particularly this data itself. Suppose order sample superstore, I want to share the data, right? Just right click.
Uh,
Okay. What options you getting? Tell me.
export data to CSV, that second to last option.
Oh, great, great, perfect. Then click on orders. Then we can choose the save option, right? Now you understand that how to share the data, how to share the charts, how to share the PPT, again images, PDF, again data source itself. We can share everything. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now I want anybody can share your screen, open the Tableau public right now. Anybody in the group? Anybody? Priya, you can try this. You can do this. Open your share your screen and open Tableau public. Okay, Srinivas, you are doing right. You can do this, Srinivas. You can just try this. Hello. Anybody
Yeah.
is ready to say this? Guys, please, no, don't be a silent, right? Now we are not in a second class, not in a third class, right? Srinivas, go share your screen right now.
Can you see my screen? I already shared the screen.
I haven't, the screen is visible, screen is not visible. Share your screen, Srinivas. Okay, now it's visible. Open the tab public. Now, Srinivas, suppose I'm your
Yeah.
client. That's fine for you.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, yeah, fine, fine.
Suppose an example, don't take seriously.
Okay. No, no issue.
Now you're saying, hey, Dinesh is taking too much of serious. I don't want this kind of no sir or trainer. I don't want. No, don't take serious. Okay. So as so Srinivas, can you please this all the files can you publish into the Tableau public? Tell me. Suppose I want to this all the shares share into Tableau public.
Tableau public.
Yeah. How to share it? So go to the server option.
Server option and like published like just 1 second. Here, we need to sign in, right?
Okay, good. Don't worry. Go to the
Tableau,
file option
Tableau
itself.
public.
Go to the file option. It's simple. It's good. No, don't worry. Go to the file option.
Okay. File option.
Click on that. The options is not going to visible to me.
Can you see now? I already clicked on the file.
You already click on file, but I'm not going to visible. Click on the file. You'll get an options,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, yes.
But I am not
Already I
seeing
clicked on the
options.
file option.
But where is options is getting? Say for something files options. I open. Click on that. Oh, file option.
Yeah, I clicked on already. I clicked on file option, Dinesh.
Why is not getting? I
Even I
don't
can
think.
see that options. New, open, close, save as.
Okay, guys, you are seeing right?
It must be on another screen
No.
Can I
or
reshare
off the
again?
screen.
Yeah, reshare your screen, I think.
Is it fine now? Can you see?
Now
No,
click on these
still
files.
not.
Okay.
Something is happening, right? I think. Guys, you can see that?
Still
Or
not
it's
seeing
my
it.
fault.
I've still
Okay.
not seen it on my end.
Okay. I think the issue with the yourself with Srinivas, I think. So what I want to say that Srinivas, this file we want to save into the Tableau public. So first we need to do, because I'm on Tableau, I'm using Tableau desktop version, right? So let me share my screen. 1 second. So now this pie chart, I want to share that. Now, what is options in getting? Tell me anybody.
Um,
Sign in, right?
sign
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 in,
in,
in.
run
run
optimizer, open
optimizer,
workbook,
open work.
publish
Mhm.
workbook, publish data source. Now, everybody do one thing, go with the sign in, create an account, Tableau public right now. Because it's very important when you go with the interviews, they will ask you, share your Tableau public profile. Everybody go and sign in and sign in again, a link with your Tableau public. And now we are going to all the files going to be shared in a Tableau public today. Okay, everybody start now doing. Anybody can share your screen and try to do with me so I can help you with that. I think Siban is totally serious. Don't worry. Share
No,
your
no, no.
screen.
I just joined through mobile, sir. I have some internet
Okay,
issue.
don't worry. Okay, I understand that. Onward, share your screen right now.
And the thing is, I have a doubt regarding this Tableau public. If, for example, we have created a dashboard in Tableau desktop, how we will say that in Tableau public, right? That you are going to show right now, right? I
No,
mean, if
I'm
someone,
going to actually, okay, I'll tell you. There is option to save in a both way, Tableau public and Tableau server. So if you go with the publishing option, they will ask you that go with the Tableau public or do Tableau server. So you can choose any point. But why I am suggesting you for the create Tableau public account? Because as the developers, we need one account for the Tableau public where I can showcasing with my portfolio that look into my portfolio. I have created this many worksheets or this many dashboards. You can check with that. So I can check with my interviewers that suppose interviewer asking showcase your portfolio, then I can so I can open the Tableau public. So this is the dashboards I have created. You can check that you can check my portfolio.
yes, I got that. I mean, if we are already created, we can share that data, I mean, dashboard to the Tableau public, or we
Yeah,
need to create
definitely.
in Tableau public only. We
No,
can
we
share it.
can we what is the question? Tell me perfectly.
Example, we created a dashboard in Tableau desktop. How we will save that dashboard into Tableau public?
That is also option is there in Tableau public. Don't worry about this.
And if one dashboard is already created in the Tableau public, how we will delete? If, for example, we want to delete that particular dashboard from the Tableau public, can we delete that?
Definitely. That's why I'm telling right. Go and sign in. I'm going to explain everything.
Okay.
If I haven't doing anything right, how can I tell you, Sibani? Tell me.
Yeah,
It's
actually
kind
today
of,
is I don't have internet. That's why I'm giving this.
so if you're telling the everything about the Kashmir, but I haven't visited any time, then how can I tell you? So anybody share your screen and link and join with the sign in the option itself and link with your Tableau public right now. Anybody can try this. Priyash, Universe, Lovely, Lucia, Nervous, Ganesh, onward. Guys, anybody?
Sorry, say maybe I missed something. Can I try, because we're using Tableau desktop, not public?
No worry, no worry. That's great. That's great. Anybody? Okay. Meanwhile, you can do this. What I know. Just 1 second. So, okay. What I do now in situation. Um, do meanwhile, if you're facing any difficulties, please reach out to me. Doubt is there for Sibani, right? I will clear the doubt. Sibani, are you there?
Yeah.
So what is the doubt? Tell me. Now your doubt is it the Tableau desktop I want to share in a Tableau public, right?
Yeah. What are the dashboard we created in the Tableau desktop?
Okay.
How we will
Okay.
share in?
I understand that. So you need to do first one by one options. You need to read it. Start now. Start now. Read. What is options are there one by one?
Okay, sir. But sir, due to the internet is only I'm unable to do in the laptop.
Okay. I
That is
understand.
I'm
Okay, I
learning
understand. Okay.
this one.
No worry. So what? At
But
least tell me
I
what is this
I
option?
opened the Tableau desktop because without internet also I'm accessing this one. So, but the sign in option we need the internet only.
Okay,
That is the
that's I
thing.
understand that. Don't worry. So
Oh.
at least read this. Okay, you can see my option. That what is this option? Tell me.
Yeah. Sign run optimizer, open workbook, public workbook. This one, right? Public workbook or public data source, read data. Oh, you are telling the last one, Tableau public. What are the options we are getting, right? Open Tableau public and save to Tableau public and
I
save to
think
Tableau public edge. My voice is audible.
yeah, you're audible. I think you get your answer. I think now.
Yeah.
It's so easy, right, Subhani?
Yeah. Then there is
And
a through manage your profile, manage my profile, the last option. We can
yeah,
open one this direct, it will go to the Tableau public account, right?
right, perfectly right. So in the Tableau desktop itself, you want to manage itself Tableau public account. That is possible. Okay,
Mm-hmm. No.
I think you got
Yeah.
answer. Subhan,
Yeah,
you are
yeah.
really, Subhan, you are really perfect, right? You find your answer your own way. Perfect.
But sir, I have another one as we discussed today only, and the exclude one. How we are excluding the data, right? For example, we want to hide one data source or one or to keep only and exclude. Those two options we discussed, right? So, if, for example, we excluded some data, how we will include again?
Simple. I'm going to explain this feature is going to the next session or tomorrow, maybe next session, because we are going to the charts and data sources going to be hide. There was separate option is it hide and unhide options are there.
Yes.
Yeah, that is the next session we are going to cover with that.
I thought like that is available in the Excel only hide on hide in
No,
Tableau
no,
that
no, no, no,
include
no.
option is there.
This option is available at any time. This option is available in Tableau. This option is available in Power BI.
Achha, okay,
Hmm.
thank you.
Suppose, suppose anybody sharing, anybody who are seeing my screen.
Yes, seeing your screen.
Okay. Now, in the meanwhile, you should do uh sign into the tab public and link with tab public account. So now, suppose this category field. Suppose this category field, I want to hide this. Then right click. What options is getting? Anybody can read?
Uh,
Anybody can read this?
Yeah, so
sheet,
filter.
show filter, duplicate, rename, hide.
Okay, done perfectly. Now I'm just hiding. So I hided category, right? So now Dinesh, can you please show what are the hidden fields? So hide her. So show hidden fields. Okay, it will showing hidden fields. Again, if you see that show hidden fields category, right?
Mm-hmm.
Again, city, come to city, right? I can, unhide this. I can unhide. You can suppose this region, I want to hide this, then click on that. Where is option hide? Is not getting hide, right? Now still is not getting. Tell me why? Because show hidden fields, right? Hide all unused fields. Now customer name, hide this. Okay. Why is showing? Because show hidden fields. You have clicked that, right? If I uncheck this option, it will be not showcasing. Again, if we check this option, show hidden fields, it will show this category name, customer name, row ID. What are the hidden fields? Now customer name has hidden field. It should be unhide. Unhide. Understand?
Understood.
Yes.
Anybody? I think Sivani will get answer from what I'm saying now.
Yes, this is category fields. I mean, major and dimensions you are going to, I mean, hide on hide. I just asked regarding the charts, right? As you said, include and exclude. Regarding the charts, how we will include the data, I mean, charts again, if we
Yeah, that is going to the
excluded
next
some.
option. Don't worry, I will cover this. That is going to the next session only. So where I am going to the hide n number of charts, I can hide all the charts and I can unhide the charts. So it's easy to work on that. Don't worry about this. So I'm going to the next is
Yeah,
fine.
I have a quick question.
sure.
Tell me, Lucia, tell me.
I'm going to share my screen. Hold on. Let me share.
Because nobody sharing, nobody was sharing the screen and opening not to tab public, right? Okay.
Let me. I can't move this.
How are you facing difficulties? Tell me.
When I attempt to. You still see my screen?
Yeah, I'm sharing. Yeah, I can see your screen. Tell me.
When I go to server, Tableau public, save to Tableau public, I get this error.
So this is the required extract, right? First of all, link with tab public. Click on the OK. You don't click on tab server, right? Okay. Go with the options with it. Where you click on the option first of all. Right click on the right click. Last option. Tab public. Don't go there and open from tab public.
Oh, open from Tableau. Okay.
Now sign in. There is option you're getting, right? Now open
already
this.
signed it.
Understand, right?
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
yeah, you can choose that. Previously, where you going? Tell me. You are going with Tableau server option. You don't have access, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay, I see what you're
Okay, you
saying. I
understand.
see what you're saying.
Yeah,
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
I
Okay,
understand.
thank you.
Thank you so much. So I'm going with the next is fine. Anybody have doubts? Guys, please respond. Yeah, we are not in a second class.
Okay.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. So we are going to the next stage. So next is session 5. And the second session 5 is nothing but, where I going to teach about these filters. You see this filter?
Not seeing your screen.
Yeah.
Okay, I will share my screen just 1 second.
Your screen share.
So I'm going to explain about this filters option is there. Filters option is there. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
see.
yeah.
So I'm going to explain about these filters. So first of all, we learn that, what kind of filters we need. What is the filters option is that again, suppose first filter is data source filter. And what is the second filter? Second filter is nothing but extract filter. So what is third filter? Third filter is context filter. Fourth filter is nothing but dimension. Fifth filter is major filter. And sixth one is quick filter. Okay, anybody can read this now?
Yes, yes. Data source filter, extract filter, context filter, dimension filter, measure filter, and quick filter.
Okay, thanks. So here is a interview question that whenever you're going with any interviews, right? Filters question is 100% they will ask you. So tell me, Lucian, that what kind of filters you are using and what is the filters that so you don't tell like a context filter, dimension filter, measure. You don't tell like that. You go with a sequence wise. What is sequence? Data source filter, extract filter, context filter, then dimension, then measure. Last nothing but quick filter. How is the answer? Tell me. This is the we need to follow sequence. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
I'm okay. So this date. So now I am going to start with extract filter. So now come to data source. So first of all, in a Tableau public, right? There is no option in a connection with a live or extract. So this is the options is not there in extract. This is not option is there in a Tableau public. So you need to look into very carefully and observe that what I'm doing. Or else you can write a steps because this option is not there in a Tableau public. Okay. So first of all, I'm going with the extract connection, right? So choose extract connection. Okay. Then after extract connections, right? Um, I want to edit this. Now, it's showing kind of, interface where logical tables again specify how much data you want to extract. And a lot of things is appearing, right? Suppose in the category field, add category. In the category field, I want only furniture. I want only furniture. Click on furniture. So click on OK. Click on OK. Now go to the sheet. Go to second sheet and click on the category. You see that only furniture is showing. Why? Tell me.
Because we
Anybody can
used the
explain?
because we chose the furniture only on
That's
extraction.
great.
You
That's
extracted
great.
the furniture only.
Okay, that's great. Now, suppose one more thing I can add it. Go with the data source. Go with the extract edit. Go with add. Suppose I want to go with a region. So now in this scenario, the client is asking that I want only East and West categories. Go with the East, check. Go with the West, click on OK, click on OK. Again, go with the sheet room. So remove the category. So go with the region, go by sales, click on the bar chart. Again, go to standard to the entire view. Again, click on T. If you include again, so that's how it works. If you see that East and West, guys,
Okay.
are you seeing
And
my
that's the
screen?
this is the
Yes,
extract
sir.
filter.
So this is nothing but data source filter. So
Data source filter.
anybody our doubt, right, Dinesh? Now what is it? What is my doubt? So when I'm clicking on a region, it will show east and west. Now I want east, west, all east, west, and all four regions I want. Then what you do now in scenario? So answer is simple. Go with the auto sample superstore. Right click again. Anybody can read these options all.
Refresh, view data, rename, duplicate, close, extract data, use extract, extract, edit data source filter, replace data source, data properties, edit aliases, publish to
Okay.
server, edit to saved data sources, export data to CSV properties.
Okay. Now, what is the option which I'm clicking on that? It is use extract. So there is a check option is there, right? So uncheck option is that. I use extract uncheck option. If you see entire view, central, east, south, west, seeing all regions, right? Guys, are you seeing all options, right?
That's yep.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to the next option. Now you understand that what is extract filter.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Guys, today I'm going with speed, right? Everybody's observing, right?
Yes, yeah.
But
Yes,
your
but we are
guys, you're not
slowing.
responding anything. I go with slow because when I go with speed, right, a lot of things will be covered. But thing is that you will lost your mind after the session. again
We are
you
following.
again you thinking about it. What is the include and exclude? I don't remember. And what about this extract filter? I don't remember. So you should remind yourself that what I learned, that what I teach that. Okay. So now you understand that how to use this data connections, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So anybody can tell that what I done, and anybody can, I don't know about anything an exact connection. Then anybody can tell that how to do that.
We go on extract, then we
Okay.
edit,
Okay. Then next.
edit,
Okay. Edit.
then we add
Okay. What do you want to add?
region.
Region. Okay. Region is already added. You can choose, subcategory. Go with that. So in subcategory, I want to add accessories, appliance, art. Let's suppose, right? Is that fine with you?
Yes, then we say okay,
Then next, what is the next thing?
okay,
Then what is the next thing?
okay again. Then
Done
we
already.
then
Okay,
we
go to
go
the
on
sheet.
sheet. Yes,
Okay. Then what is the next thing?
then we choose sales and subcategory.
Okay. But it's showing nothing, right? Okay, let's suppose add sales as well. It's showing nothing. Okay, here is good. Why it's not showing something? Tell me. Okay, go to the order data source. Go to the edit. What you added? Tell me. Okay. Now first we delete this. Okay, remove this. Click on this. Remove this. Get edit this option. Again, I want which I included, right? So selected three out of three out of 17. We selected three, right? So click on the OK and now click on the OK. Again, go to the sheet 4. First of all, make sure you important you want extract connection, right? Go to the sheet 4. Now it's showing the entire accessories appliance at only three, right? Now perfect, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Yes.
Okay. Now you understand that date exact filter. Now we are going with the data source filter. So data source filter is nothing but live connection. In the live connection, what is this filter? Tell me. This filter option is right. Initially, I ignored this feature, right? Why ignored is nothing but data source filter. This live connection is nothing but this filter. You see?
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
when you are using live connection, right? This is nothing but data source filter where I'm adding the filters, adding where you can add the categories. Go with the categories. Again, go with the furniture. Click on OK. Again, click on OK. Now, live connection and extract connection. I already explained that what is the major difference. Anybody can try this? So live connection, extract connection, it is live connection, it's connected with the live data. And extract connection is not connected with the live data. So now I added category only keeps furniture, right? When you go with the category, there is category. Okay, go with the category, click on describe. So what is showing? Tell me in the last corner.
Domain members. Just furniture selected.
That's why. Because why? We are selected only furniture, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Go to the sheet 4, remove subcategory, add category, then it's only showing furniture.
Mm. Okay.
Are you understanding?
Understood.
Okay. Now what I done? Tell me. Now suppose you go with the data source. Again, this is a make sure you show live connection. Go with the filter, edit. Again, go with add one something. Again, you add region, click on OK. I want East West category, click on OK. Click on OK. Again, go to the here. Where is the region? Okay, region. Click on the describe option. East West, right, perfect. Again, go to the sheet 4. Remove this category and add region. Perfect. East West.
Yeah.
I don't want this option, this shoulder perfectly right. Now it's looking perfect, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Again,
Yes,
resign
sir.
to the colors, resign to the colors. Again, you want to change red colors and I can red colors. I can, this palette into the purple, let's say purple. Okay. Assign palette, apply. Okay. Again, I want the border itself. Click on the black border. Okay. Done. How is looking perfect, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you understand here, right? Anybody doubts in that? Suppose I want to remove the data source filter which is I created. Dinesh, I want east, west, all regions I want. I don't want only east, west. Then click on that. It is an options that edit data source filter. Click on here. where you can remove this, region, which is I already created region. Keep east, west, right. Remove. Okay. Now it's showing all regions, right?
Yep, I see that.
It's showing all the regions or not? Tell me.
It is showing all the regions.
Yes, it's
Perfect, right?
showing.
Yeah. Okay. Now everything is done, right? Now anybody what I done extract filter, what I did in data source filter can explain me? Anybody? Guys, if you're not practicing like that, then it is not very. I go with speed. Okay, I will go with the next stage. What is this context filter, dimension filter? I can explain that, but you lost your mind. Okay, if you don't remind yourself. Guys, hello.
All extracts.
Yes, yes.
I think nobody is interested to learn something. I is wasting my time. Waste.
No,
I'm
sir.
wasting my time
No,
itself.
sir.
No, no, no,
No,
sir.
really. No, it's really happening, right? I'm wasting my time itself. I'm trust on this guys. These guys are making something creative, but at the end of the day, you are nothing. You're at least not responding something at least. Waste of my time.
So
No, sir.
before you told, I can say due to my internet is only I'm unable today.
Okay, okay, don't worry. Now you understand that whatever now we are learn. You have any doubt in that? Tell me.
No doubt.
No, sir.
No
That's
doubt,
perfect.
sir.
So I'm going with the next. That is nothing but dimension filter. So what we are learn yesterday, sorry, what we are learn now, live and next step. Now we are going with the data source filter. So if I'm creating, suppose now which I want to choose. Okay, I will go with the product name. I will go with the sales. I will go with the this chart. Again, highest to the lowest. Again, increase the size. Again, this. Again, click on T. Again, show the border itself. No. Okay, click on border, black border. So here is my question is that where I'm this dimension, where is dimension? This product name dimension is go to the filters. And I want this is already checked that all options, right? Suppose I want to showcase only Samsung products, then what you do? Tell me. So it's easy. Go first check none option, right? Samsung, Samsung, Samsung. Great, right, Apple.
Maybe the data set doesn't have those products in there.
Same data set which I'm using, right? Okay, let's suppose we use DAX, right? Suppose I want DAX. Now, whatever the DAX are there, right? DAX BlackBerry, DAX Charcoal, DAX Clear Box Home, DAX, whatever the DAX are there, right? You know, the
Sir.
all the products are the included in all. Click on that. If you see the DAX. So whatever the DAX products I want to see. So click on OK, click on all. So click on OK. If you see that out of creative values, I selected 17.
17,
Selection if you
yeah.
do. So DAX products are there is 17 products. So out of selected, I selected 17 out of 380. So click on OK. I can choose all the DAX products. If you see,
Hmm.
now if
Yes.
you see that, how do you understand that if you see 17 rows by column on right on the left side column, 17 rows by column.
Hmm.
So
Yes, sir.
DAX, everything I want, everything is showcasing on DAX products. If you see,
Yeah, I see it.
Yes.
Now, suppose edit the filter. Dinesh, I don't want tax products. Suppose, I want, suppose office star. I want office star products. Whatever the office star products, can you please check this option? Okay, let's click office star. Okay, click on the all. Click on the all. So whatever the office star products have been selected. So if you see, out of 380 values, I selected 29 values. Is that mean office star products are 29? So click on OK. If you see, all office star products are same. Edit the filter. Okay. Again, I don't want tax. Just uncheck, right? This is I don't want. You know, none. Choose none. Okay. I want only office. Okay. I want only office star. Okay. This is just okay. Click on or click on office star. Click on OK. Everything the only office star. Office stars, office star desk, again office star contemporary, office star flexback, again office star professor matrix, again office star contemporary swipe, again office desk is there, office star flexback scooter chair with that. So I can enlarge this. Okay. Now I can read properly, right?
Yep.
So now
Yes,
it's done perfectly. Now you understand that how I'm selecting the products.
yes,
So
And you
after
can
this,
and you can add multiple dimensions in that filters window,
yeah, we
filters
can
box.
use it. Yeah, we can
Okay.
use n number of multiple dimensions. We can use 100, 200 dimensions as well. But it's more confusable. We can choose at there is no limit for dimensions. We can choose it filters. So we can apply the for the filters. Now this select from list, you understand that whatever I can choose the products, I can choose it. Now I choose a DAX, now office. Now next thing, what is I want to choose it? Suppose this ultra door, right? Let's suppose ultra door.
sorry,
For
Danish.
suppose, yeah,
Can you let Loveline in? It's waiting in the.
yeah, tell me.
Can you join in, Loveline?
Okay. Sorry for that. I was explaining. Sorry for I joined for the link. Okay, no worry. Okay, now I'm explaining for that. Lovely, you joined, right?
Yes, Dinesh, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. No worry, this is the last thing we are going to explain that. So, what I'm going to explain that, they select from this, right? Now, what I want ultra door. Just write ultra ULTRADOOR. How many products are they? Tell me. There are three products are there. Select all. Okay. Just click on OK. And in this scenario, I don't want office stars, right? Go with the product, edit filter, click on office star and click none option, uncheck the list. Again, remove that. Again, OK. Now only three options is there, right? Again, this round table, which is we previously selected, right? But ultra door. So we can remove round table as well. Just 1 second. Edit filter, right iceberg, uncheck this option. Okay. Again, click on OK. Now there are only three products: ultra door, ultra door, ultra door. Ultra door pull handle, ultra door quick plate, ultra door push plate.
Mm.
Now Next thing I'm going to explain about. Now we're done with select from list. How do we are going to check the list? And suppose what kind of a list we can choose it. We can choose it. So this is something kind of product list where I can choose particular product, right? Like Office Star, DAX, something which can we can select it. Now. This is you understand, right?
Yes,
Will the user be able
Yes.
to, so when the report is published, will they be able to select the products they want?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Whenever if you suppose you have a created dashboard, and these
Mhm.
filters you can give to the directly with clients or directly with users. They can
Okay.
change the filter itself.
Okay. Okay. Good.
Like they can change the filters. So now I will go with the next or I will stop itself. Tell me.
Go with the next.
Okay, that's fine. So there is now with general option is done. Go with the wildcard. Go with the wildcard. Suppose wildcard, what kind of products we are selected? Tell me as of now. So I choose DAX, I choose Office Star, again I choose Ultra. But now I want to start, I want to check that in the DAX name. Contains means is nothing but can you please showcase in a start, DAX products that it contains. Click on OK. Click on OK. Okay, just 1 second. Something is wrongly mentioned, I think. Okay, just one second.
Select all the products from the list.
Now,
And then
okay, just 1 second.
yeah.
Okay, now that whatever the DAX products has been done, which is created, right? Again, go for the edit filter. Go for the starts with DAX. Now, what I want the products, whatever the products are there, I want to start with DAX function. Start with DAX. Click on OK. Then whatever they start with DAX cubicle frames, DAX clear. So whatever the DAX, starting with DAX, right? Whatever the DAX products, it will be shown. Again, go to the edit filter. Again, go to the wildcard. Dinesh, can you please tell me that I want can what are the products are there? They are ends with DAX. Check with that. Okay. I want to check with whatever the products are there with end with DAX. Then click on OK. Sorry, there is a no products for the end product. There is a no products for the end name in DAX, right? Again, go for the wildcard, edit filter, go for the wildcard. So Dinesh, can you please check that exactly matches that DAX products are they not? Okay, exactly matches. Okay, there is a no products. You want to go edit filter, so you can check the name, exactly name. What is the name? Anything? Suppose DAX solid wood frames. Okay, go to the wildcard, DAX solid wooden, right?
Solid wood frames.
Wood frames, right? Wood frames.
Yes.
So click on OK. Now it's showing, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because it exactly matches. If you see that, click on filter, edit filter, go with the wildcard, exactly matches.
Understood.
Okay. Now you understand, right? General option, wildcard option, you understand?
yes,
Yes, sir.
So now what it contains, tell me.
Contains is looking
Yes,
for the a text
that's
that
right.
matches that a pattern
Uh,
that matches the text that you type in.
okay, so contains means that which product you are looking, and
Yeah.
start with means which products are there. They start with dark solid wood frames. We will choose that. Click on that. It is the only one name, right? Because it is exactly matches. Go to the wildcard. Again, ends with it will not show anything. No, it's showing right because it exactly matches, right? Now again, suppose I will choose DAX only. When I click with starts with, then it will show all the products. Again, go to the edit filter, go to the wildcard. Again, ends with, it will not show any product. If you see, so click on the product name, edit data source. Again, wildcard exactly matches. Click on OK, then it will be shown. You have to write what is that name, right? That is DAX Word document frame, right? DAX solid wood frame. OK. Hmm. Click on OK. I think any mistake has been done from. It's case sensitive if you're doing mistake, right?
Calculator stack.
It's solid wood
Calculator.
frames. I
That's
think you have
solid
solid
wood
wood
frame.
frame. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
that's solid wood frames. Click on the wildcard. That's solid. I think you should
wood
write.
frames. Add the S to the frame.
Calculator.
So that's solid wood frames.
Now it's showing right because we
Yeah,
miss S, right?
yeah, yeah.
Because it is case sensitive. When you are mentioning another name, it will not be reflect. It should be exact name, then it will showing exact matches, right? So now you understand, right? No, go to the filter, go to the edit filter. Now we are done general option. Now we are done wildcard option. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So condition and top we will cover tomorrow. Okay, is that fine?
Right, that's
Fine,
fine.
Danish.
So it is a doubt time. Can anybody ask? So anybody ask, then please let me know.
No doubt.
No doubt.
No doubt. Same.
Doubt, Danish.
So I have one doubt. In
Yes,
the
then.
general option, right? General filter.
Okay. Okay, I'll go with the filter.
Yeah, in the general filter, while we are sourcing, right? For example, starting with DAX. So there are options are coming. So is there any options to select all the DAX in the at a time? We are just manually we are
Yeah,
selecting array one.
I'm selecting at a time, right? If you're choosing right, okay, first of all, click on none. Okay. First of all, remove
Uh-huh.
this. First of all, click on none. First write DAX,
Yeah.
DAX. Then click on
Yes.
all. Then I selected all DAX products, right?
Achha, achha, okay. I thought like all the, I mean, like
No, no, no,
all the
no.
points.
I selected at the one time. If you click on none option, right? I write DAX, right? Now I want to choose that all DAX products. Click on all, click on OK. Then just one
Mm-hmm.
second.
Oh, okay, got it. So in the general and wildcard means there is a, it is going with specific, the wildcard means it is going with the little specific one, right? In compared to general.
Okay, let's one second. First of all, I clear the list. Okay. So first of all, I click on none. I clear the list, everything. So click write
Mhm.
DAX. Again, I want to choose all. Click on OK. It shows all the options.
Yes, yes, I got that. Select list from that is the general in the general tab. Select from list. There is a custom value list also there. The second option
Custom value
custom.
list, right?
So there, I mean, what is the difference between select list and the
It
custom
will,
value list?
whatever you're choosing in customs, right? It will be showing in reflect here only. Okay. Now, whatever the DAX products are, they it will showing here. Okay. Custom. Now I created. Now suppose in this scenario, what I choose. Okay. Mm, suppose HON, right? We write HON. HON. Then click on all. Click
Mm.
on OK. Then go to the edit, custom value list. DAX again HON. I right?
Mhm.
So whatever you were selecting the list, it is going with the custom list as well.
No, I didn't get actually.
Is it?
I selected in the general filter only. In the general select from the list, right? I clicked on select from list and right. I written error. I just going to write DAX, right? So there are the 17 rows are there selecting. If we click on all in
Okay,
the
one
all
second.
section,
One second, one
30,
second. So suppose
34.
now DAX is okay. First of all, we will remove everything. Okay, for your included. Clear the list. Again, clear everything. Again, none. For DAX, click on all. So out of 380 values, it's showing 17. So DAX products are there, 17 products are there. So when I'm clicking on OK, it will be shown. Again, go to custom value. So whatever the DAX product, it will be shown custom list as well. The custom value list is nothing but for your reference. What you customize that list, right? I understand. You have a in that suppose you have big list. You have to check some kind of products. That is custom list, right? Suppose you have a lot of makeup products. Lot of list is there. But I want to buy particular makeup products then and you have created particular makeup list products, then that is custom value list. Simple. You understand, right? I think you're not understanding. Guys, you are understanding something? I'm telling what I'm telling.
Yes,
Yes, understand.
Okay. Okay. Sivan, now you understanding or not? Tell me or else I will again repeat. Sivani. Okay. Your voice is not audible, Sivani. Sorry for that. Guys, any other doubts? So I can close the session. I wound up the meeting and we will meet
No
next
doubt.
Saturday, Sunday. Guys, one more request for the all. Let's wait
yes,
for the 5 minutes. One more request. Guys, you're not doing guys, you're not doing anything, guys. If you go with if you go with right, go with my dashboard, right? There is only current subscriber. Go with my channel itself. Just 1 second. Guys, everybody is watching videos, but they're not subscribing. Only 36 subscribers are there. Because why I'm telling, right? Because next I'm going to conduct the session which is on SQL and I'm going to publish on everything in YouTube itself, not in a WhatsApp. So if you
I
want to
subscribed.
participate, right, you should be subscribed, right? Because if you go with the comments, right, again try to do comments. Only small comments are is going. Because why I'm telling, because you should know that. But now we see 256 views are there, but nobody is subscribing. Why I'm telling, because uh, whatever I'm doing, right? So next time, whatever the workshop will be updated on only YouTube, not in a WhatsApp. Okay.
Understood.
And one more thing, I want to create a one community where I can participate with you. I can help you to grow, in a life itself. I can do a lot of things in a community. So that's why I want to build a community. So I thought, I want to building community. Then where you want to go with that? Dinesh, there is no option that there is good option only is YouTube. Where you can build a community and where you can help you with a lot of peoples with the fraction of within a help of 1 or 2 of us you can help a lot of people and you can empower you can empower that learning whatever you want to be learned that you can empower in the data learning things whatever you want to do. So guys, please respond me, okay? So and please support me on the YouTube itself and kindly comment and subscribe and share me, okay?
Will do. Will do.
Okay, so
okay.
let's wind up the meeting. Anybody have a doubt in that? Still in doubts? Okay, so let's wind up the meeting and we will meet next Saturday and Sunday. Okay, same time. I will share the link in a WhatsApp. Okay,
Cool.
Thank
Thank you very
you.
much.
See you then.
thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.